When we chant Hare Krishna nicely, when we are getting the mercy of Krishna, as you say, you love Krishna, when you get the mercy of Krishna, our chitta is not us. Chitta is a covering on the soul. Covering on the soul has so many negative thoughts and energies. And they are all in the subconscious. That's why I am not aware right now. But when I chant Hare Krishna, just like there is a pond, and I stir the whole floor of the pond, lot of mud, everything comes up, and you will see it is all, the clear water has become cloudy. So in the same way, initial few days, these crazy thoughts that are coming, they are all on the way out. So why are you worried? Now, if you are thinking that no, they are mine, I feel guilty. No, they are all your past. Okay, now you do. Why do you embracing them again? Thank you, Krishna, for the negative thought. You tell, let it go. Go. They are not mine. So be happy that the Lord is clearing your heart. This is called Cheto Darpana Marjanam. It's a very good symptom. The disease is going. I'll give you another example. You are sitting in the veranda of your house. Your house, all the rooms are full of ghosts. A ghostbuster goes inside. You are engaged him. Ghostbuster goes inside. There is only one door. You are sitting in the veranda. They all pass by in front of you. Then you are saying, I am feeling very bad. They are all coming from inside me. From inside you, and they are going out. Why don't you remember that? But if you think, oh, these are all my thoughts, how bad. Moment you feel guilty, no? What are you doing? Mr. Ghost, don't go. Come. Hide here. Again, put him back in the house. Through back door. Don't identify with this negative thought. They are not you now. You are now devotee. You love Krishna. You want them out. Ignore them. Somebody else is doing the job. Cheto Darpana Marjanam. Nama Prabhu, the Shakti Avashanama is pushing them out. Feel happy about it. And how long it will push? Very soon the house will be empty of all. Fully ghost busted. Okay. No more haunted house. Your chitta will not be any more haunted. That is the power of the holy name. Cheto Darpana Marjanam. So what is happening to you is a very positive sign. Provided you don't associate with, you disassociate. As it goes, as negative thoughts come, oh, these are all not me. Thank you, Krishna. If you think it is you, you will feel guilty. Oh, how I can feel negative like this to Krishna? How I can feel disrespectful? You go on chanting and hearing. Don't think of all those things. Chanting and hearing. Go on giving the chesta non-stop. Let the unlimited ghosts keep going out. There will be heavy traffic in the beginning. Afterwards, it will be cool. No traffic. Do you know that the biggest thing that you can give to Krishna is your free will? Whole Krishna consciousness is about free will. Whole Krishna consciousness. Whole Maya existence is about free will. Free will of the Jiva. Such is the power of the free will. You have created your own destiny. We have created our own destiny. Where we are today is caused by our own past actions. Same thing in bhakti. It's not that somebody arbitrarily, Krishna gives mercy to somebody, doesn't give mercy to somebody. No. When you say it is costless means it is not commensurate with the effort that you put. That's what it means, costless. But God helps those who help themselves. You have to offer sankalpa and vikalpa. Nama Prabhu will be very pleased. What is karma, time and all, kala and all? Nothing. Any kind of disturbance will throw away. Holy name is so powerful. If you follow, I'll be my spiritual mind and spiritual tongue when it touches the Nama, when it chants the Aprakrita Nama. At that time, I will feel I want a million tongues and a million ears to taste. That tasty is the Nama Prabhu who is on my tongue even now. But I am unable to taste. Even now, that is the same super tasty, infinitely tasteful Nama is on my tongue. But I am unable to. Just like a rubber gloves, you're touching a heater, hot plate. You know, right there, hot plate is there, but you cannot feel. That separation one will start feeling. So when you feel that separation, that intensity, then it's a very powerful, very rapid purification happen of our mind and body.